Hello everyone! In this video, we'll learn Japanese vocabulary about places at the N5 levels. Each word comes with English translations, making it perfect for beginners and Japanese learners. こんにちは。この動画では N5 レベルの場所に関する日本語の単語を学びます。英語の訳もあるので、日本語学習の初心者やJLPT を受験する方にぴったりです。First, let's review how to read and understand the meaning of 10 location words. After that, I'll use flashcards to see how many of the 10 words you've remembered. Okay, let's start. 学校、学校 school 公園、公園 park 家、家 house 店、店 shop 駅、駅 station 病院、病院 hospital 図書館、図書館 library 部屋、部屋 room 駅前、駅前 in front of the station 台所、台所 kitchen 学校公園家店駅病院図書館部屋駅前台所 How many words did you remember? Let's keep practicing to learn the basic location words. On this channel, we'll continue to teach a wide range of Japanese knowledge, from basic to advanced level. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe to the channel and give me a like. Green 国語オンラインスクール